There's this wonderful AI tool that just hit the scene called Paperclip. Right now, you can see my screen. I'm inside of Paperclip. This is my dashboard. This is my company, Her Empire AI. And as you can see, we have some things going live up in here. So let me break this down to you a little bit. What you're seeing is multiple agents we're running is actually done now. In my inbox, we have the completed task that is going on. Well, back here on the dashboard, you can see how many agents I have in my company, how many tasks they are running, how much money did I spend. You can also see all the relative and related recent activities and tasks that were assigned to the AI. So that's just a rundown of what Paperclip is. But let's talk about Paperclip in and of itself. Like, what is Paperclip? I mean, what is going on with this Paperclip thing I'm hearing about? I'm just going to break it down in plain English. Paperclip is a way that you can build out your solo entrepreneur business all ran by AI. So it's like you're not in the business. You know, everybody's telling you you need to be out of the business. You need your business to work for you. Well, how do you do that when you have to sit down and make every decision, wear all the hats? In this case, you're not wearing the hats. So it's basically an open source software that you can run on your local computer. You download it and it allows you to build out an AI employee or a complete AI workforce inside of your business. So you are functioning as the board of the director. You're not in the business. It makes you think on a higher level. Your thing is you talk to the CEO, you tell the CEO, hey, look, this is the goal for the business. This is the direction of the business. And it's up to the CEO to come up with the plan, not you. So this is great. Right now it has over 35,000 stars on GitHub. It's only like 3 weeks old. So it's really blowing minds out here on these internet streets. This is how you get started with it. You can self-host it as well. Okay. And what they mean by that is you can put it on your own hosting, like you host your WordPress. You can host this on there, but it also can run on your local computer. So you just log into your computer and open it up. But let's break it down. This is the dashboard in which you were looking at on my screen, my dashboard running. All you do is manage your business goals here. You don't have to worry about every single request. And what that means is when you want something done, you typically have to get in, log into your Claude code and say, make me a post for Facebook or Instagram or whatever. You're directing it and telling it what you need it to do, and it is going to do it. You're not talking about goals like I'm trying to grow my Instagram to 10,000 followers on Instagram, right? You're telling, make me a post. Well, in this case with Paperclip, you can just say, hey, I'm trying to hit this. I want to post every day. And it's going to automatically make the post for you because it knows you need to post every day. So you're talking, your mindset needs to switch here because you're talking in terms of goals and not necessarily every single request that you need to hit the goal. You tell it the goal, and your team will give you what you need to hit the goal. So that's basically what it is. You define the goal, hire the team, you basically approve. So it's not gonna run all of this stuff through. You're gonna approve it as it goes. So once it creates the team or the person, you have to approve that person to be hired. You have to approve whether or not this post is a post that's gonna go on your Facebook. So you're the board, basically. You're not running the business, you're managing the business, okay? On top of it. So you're not even in it. They're working. Your AI staff is working for you. So everything you need to run an autonomous company. You can even bring your own agents. So if you already have some agents made, you can bring them in. You just create the goal. The goal could be to make 10K. Your CEO AI in your company is going to map out the necessary tasks to accomplish the goal that you're trying to accomplish. They have what's called heartbeats. Heartbeats is about to put Claude Cowork to shame because heartbeats, it basically wakes your agent up on a schedule. So if you want something done at 8 o'clock, the first person that needs to be up or the first person up in my company over here is my CEO. She wakes up at 8 o'clock in the morning. That's basically a schedule. And what she does is she looks through all the tasks, she review the plan, review the goals, and then she puts the other AI team members to work. That's what kicks off everything. So the heartbeats is basically the schedule in which they're on and what they do when they wake up, how they wake up, what they check, and how they go about their day. Cost control. Now, the great thing about this is Paperclip is running on my Claude Code, which is a subscription. And that is why over here you see zero spend, because it's using my credits from my Claude subscription. Now, there might be some times you have to outsource certain things to another API that or model that Claude doesn't have. Okay, so maybe I need Whisperer for something, and that is going to require me to have the Open AI API. So I have some money sitting on that, and then it'll just pull from it when they need to use it. But it tells you how much they spent in a month in real time. Now, the great thing about this too is each department, like the marketing department, the technology department, they can each have budgets. You can say, hey, marketing department, you don't spend more than $10 a month. Or, hey, technology department, you don't spend more than this. And it would keep track of that for you. So you don't have to worry about it, because in a lot of cases, when we're working in our Claude code and we're working on VS Code, we have all of these different tabs up trying to run different things at the same time. And then we forget which one of those tabs is running what. We got an AI over here doing this. We have an AI over here doing that. We walk away, we come back, and we're confused. This way, it gives you a very beautiful organization chart so you know who is doing what. So you have the CEO who's managing these two, and the CTO manage these two. I mean, it's just wonderful. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. You can blow this up and all kind of stuff. So it's really cool the way they have it set up. You can also run multiple companies. It's unlimited. The software is free to download to your computer, and you can do as many companies as you want. And each company is separate, so it doesn't like read the files of the other company, which is great. It also has a ticketing system, and that is the way you actually talk to the AIs or your CEO on what needs to be done. There are rules in place where you have to approve it. That's the governance. So you are the board. You're not one of the employees in the company. You're the board. Okay, you're the board of directors. Then you have the org chart, which I already showed you, and is mobile ready. So you can do this all on your phone too. The great way to do it on your phone is to have it on your server, because you have your custom domain and things like that, and you can just log in right from your phone. It allows you to bring your own bot. So if you've already built agents somewhere, you can just import them over. So that's great. The goal alignment, just know that your company level goals, everything your CEO does is going to be in order to hit the company goal, and everything needs to be goal driven. It's all going to boil down to you being able to articulate and really knowing and understanding what you want. Next, I already explained the heartbeat and how it works. And then you know all your costs. So you're going to know who spent what, depending upon what model of the AI they are using. And again, if you're using Claude Code, you're going right off your subscription. So it's going to be zero. And then, of course, you have as many companies as you need in there. You have a ticket system, so you know everything that took place. So if we go over here and go back to my inbox, I can actually see everything that took place. So my Claude Coder, I can go in here and I can see everything that happened. And I can even leave comments and everything if I don't approve of something in the company, because I'm the board and I'm talking to the CEO, which is my AI chief of staff, basically. And y'all see me build that in another video, but I just transferred that over into Paperclip to be able to see it at a different level, because it does get confusing when you have 20 tabs all over the place. When I'm able to just come in here and look at my dashboard and know exactly how many agents I have, how many is running, I can see who's running and what they're doing right at the top. So it's like I'm not confused about which window is this, right? So that is so good. And then, of course, you can download a business, import it, and everything else. So they have some things coming, apparently here coming soon within this. So I just wanted to give you some background about what Paperclip AI is, because a lot of people is like, okay, can it work for me? Yes, if you're looking at freeing up your time and you're looking at already using AI to help you in your business because you're too busy and you can't really afford a real W 2 employee, you might as well employ an AI. Okay. And you can do this, and you can do this right through Paperclip. So everything I covered today, I will go ahead and include it in a implementation guide. So you will have the breakdown, a little cheat sheet for you. It's going to be available for free in my builders community. And that link to the community is down below. So if you like this video, if you like videos like this that's going to break things down for you in terms of AI and automation and how you can implement it into your business, please feel free to go ahead and like the video and subscribe to the channel. You know, it helps your girl out a lot. And I'm going to be making more and more videos breaking down each and every piece as we go along. In the next video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can get started and how to download Paperclip to your own computer for free and get you started that way. Okay, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.